Hey everybody, I'm Jen Easterly, Director of CISA, America's Cyber Defense Agency, and I want to be the first to wish you a happy Cybersecurity Awareness Month. I'm thrilled to get to share with you a little about this year's campaign through this video. This October, we challenge all Americans to help secure our world by adopting 4 simple steps that everyone can take to stay safe online. First, use strong passwords, meaning long, random, and unique to each account, and use a password manager to generate them and to save them. 2, one of my personal favorites, enable multi-factor authentication on all accounts that offer it. You need more than a password on your most important accounts like email, social media, and financial accounts. So enable MFA. 3, recognize and report phishing. As we like to say, think before you click. Be cautious of unsolicited emails or texts or calls asking you for personal information, and don't click on links or open attachments from unknown sources. Finally, number 4, update your software. In fact, enable automatic updates on your software, so the latest security patches just keep your devices continuously up to date. We all have a role to play to secure our world. We can all secure our online accounts by practicing basic cyber hygiene, including the 4 steps I just mentioned. And let's secure our families by ensuring that our loved ones know what to look for and how to stay safe online. Companies also have a role to play to secure our digital world. CISA is asking tech companies and software developers to secure our businesses and our individual customers by ensuring that their products are secure by design. That way, technology is secure right out of the box, and Americans are better protected. We invite families, small and medium businesses, tech providers, government, and international partners and others to join the campaign and participate in Cybersecurity Awareness Month 2023. Learn more by visiting CISA.gov.